Dear students, in this video we will see assembly of a knuckle joint. Okay. The knuckle joint consists of 5 parts. I already prepared the 3D part modeling of all the parts using Solidworks and I posted as a separate video in my channel. I will share the link in the description box. So if you want you can go and watch it. So now we'll start the assembly. So open the Solidworks, open new document, select assembly module, click OK. Now we'll bring the parts one by one. Okay, don't bring all the parts at a time, so it would make your screen a little bit clumsy if there are more number of parts in a assembly. Okay, so first I will bring the fork and eye. Okay, those are the base parts. So before starting the assembly you need to fix at least one part. Okay, one part should be fixed. Okay, here by default always the first part, whatever the part you are bringing in, that is always fixed one, but here I want this fork to be fixed. Okay, now you can see a minus symbol here, right? That means this is free to move in all direction. Okay, if you see F, that means it is a fixed one. Now I want to fix this fork. Okay, so right click on I and convert it into float. That means now you can move this component in any direction. Now right click on fork and select fix. Now this component is fixed. Okay, you can't move this one. Now we will start the assembly. Okay, this eye should come in between this fork. Okay, so select mate option. Okay, so delete this one, delete whatever selected here, clear section. Now select this inner surface and this surface. Okay, select concentric mate, click OK. Now you can see either it is rotating or it is moving in this direction. Okay, we locked the lateral direction. Now select this surface and this one. Now give coincidence mate. Okay, now we can only able to rotate this component. Click on this green tick. Now bring in the third component. So again insert component, third component is pin. Bring in the pin, will complete the assembly. Okay, click mate. Okay, click this cylindrical surface and this surface. Okay, again concentric mate. Now you can see either you can rotate or you can move in this longitudinal direction. Okay. So now again I'm going to fix this one, this surface, bottom surface and this surface. Now it sits on that surface. Okay, and now it is coincidence mate. Now bring in the fourth component, insert component, collar. Now again click on mate. Okay. Select the inner surface and this cylindrical surface of the pin. Okay, give concentric mate. Okay. Now again select this circle and this circle, again give concentric mate. Okay, click, then bring in the last component, taper pin. Okay, again click on mate. Okay, select the surface and select this. Click OK. Now you can little bit you can adjust, so it will lock the collar and the pin with this knuckle joint. Okay, so this is the complete assembly. So thank you for watching.